Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox game less laggy. The primary way to achieve smoother gameplay is by adjusting your in-game graphics settings. Many players overlook this simple yet powerful optimization. By reducing the visual fidelity, your computer or device has less work to do, leading to a noticeable increase in frame rates. This fundamental step can transform your gaming experience, making it far more enjoyable and responsive. We will explore specific adjustments to maximize your performance. Within Roblox, navigate to your settings and find the graphics quality slider. Switching from automatic to manual mode gives you full control. Try setting the slider to 1 or 2 bars for a significant performance boost. This reduces the detail rendered, making the game much smoother. Additionally, playing in windowed mode or lowering your display resolution can further alleviate the strain on your system, providing a more consistent frame rate. Beyond in-game settings, your system and network play crucial roles. Always keep your operating system and graphics drivers updated for optimal performance. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background, as they consume valuable CPU and RAM. For network stability, a wired Ethernet connection is superior to Wi-Fi, reducing ping and lag spikes. A quick router restart can also clear up minor connectivity problems, ensuring a smoother online experience. Finally, some simple habits can make a big difference. Try to avoid joining servers with a very high player count, as more players mean more data to process. Regularly clearing your Roblox cache can prevent accumulated temporary files from slowing down your game. If you have access to a lower resolution monitor, using it can reduce the rendering workload. Ultimately, a device with stronger processing power and more RAM will always provide the best Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.